Hello everyone, today we will talk about movement in VIM. Usually we will use arrow key to move around in our editor, but in VIM is provide a some letter to do that with a H, J, K, and L. With a H you will move left, with a K you will move up, with a J you will move down, and with a L you will move to the right. So let's play with that. Currently, my cursor is here. So now if I want to move left to meet the H letter, will type H. You will see the cursor will move to the left. K with the L, it will move to the right. And with the K, it will move up. With the J, it will move down. Plus, with this movement key, we will combine with a number. So, what does number mean? So here, my cursor here. So if I combine h with a number, for example, 10, and h is moved to the left. So 10h mean that I move to the left 10 letter. So in here, at these positions, if I want to make the H, I need to move like 16 letter. Okay, 16 letter. So instead of type H 16 times, I can type 1, 6, and H. Nice, it's here. So I don't need to type H 16 times. Just need to combine a number with the movement key. So again, so if I want to move to the right to meet the L, so I will 16 and L. But please pay attention on the bottom right of the screen. You will see that I type 16. Okay, you see that? And now if I type L, I will move to the right, and the L is the end of command. So the one you see on the bottom right will disappear. Okay, I click L here. Okay. So this is really useful. So when you type a command, you can see, you can check what are you typing. Like, okay, I will type 12. Okay, and H. Okay, I like, if I don't remember what which number I type, I can look at the bottom right of the screen. Okay, so let's move to the other. Okay, so we have a key to move word by word, that is W. Okay, if you type W here, it will move word by word. It will move word by word, and if you type P, it will backward. W mean forward, and P will mean backward. Okay, so now if you P, it will move to like the letter, the beginning letter of that word. Okay, so again, W, and P. Okay, so let's take to the second sentence. With W. Oh, you will see that why is stop here, because W will count a special symbol like a word. So that, okay, you will jump here. This is one word. This is second word, third word, forward. Okay. So if you want to ignore the special symbol, you will type a W with uppercase. W, W. Okay. You will see that we move like normal again. So the same for backward. You see here, backward, and it's called the special symbol. It's called a separator line word. So if you want to skip that, you need to type P with the uppercase. P, P. Okay. P backward is a P. This one. Okay. Oh. And we also can combine this with a number. So if I want to move like three words, right here, I want to move like three words, so I can type 3W. No, what happened? Ah, because it's like the end of this word, so I can so I will type 2W. Okay, it's move two word. So if we want to backward, the same thing, two and P backward. The same with W and P in the uppercase. We also have a dollar sign. If you type dollar sign, you will move to the end of word. And if you press zero, you will move to the beginning of the sentence. Uh, and also we have a letter E. E. So each will move word by word, but it's a the end of that word. We have W to move word by word, but it jump to the star letter out of that word. But with the E, we will jump into the end of that word. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you feel it's interested, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to know the latest video to notify when I new new video. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.